Hi, I'm Nadeem, and I'll be your guide to introduce you to Uozap, spelled Uozap. Uozap is a free internet platform that was born in Italy. It serves to promote cultural events and above all broadcasts these live events to around the world for anyone to experience. For example, with Uozap, you can broadcast events like music concerts, sports events, theatre shows, and book readings.
With Uozap, you create your own web TV. All you need to use Uozap is a computer, a webcam and microphone, a headset, and of course, an internet connection. It even works well with 3G. For now, Uozap users use the web-RTC technology, thus usable in Chrome or Firefox. The iOS version is currently in development and will be released shortly. I will now take you through the basics. Let's start with opening your web browser. Go on www.uozap.com. In the top right hand corner, you can select your preferred language. I will take you through this site in English. This is the map. They're all geolocated Uozap events, both streaming and not. On the right are the upcoming events. Below, there are events that have just finished. To see an event, you do not have to be registered. However, in order to broadcast an event, you will need to register. You can register by clicking here, and then will immediately receive an email with the link to confirm your account. Go into your email, and a link will take you to the right Uozap page for logged on users. If you cannot find the mail from Uozap, check your junk email folder. If you're already registered, click here and enter your credentials. Before inserting an event, you should have your headset and webcam connected. Now, click on Add Event. In the content page, you may need to select your language preference. Click here to do that. We are going to select English. Now, select the event category, for example, books. Here, if you want to broadcast a live event, click on the live box, or you can just promote an event. Insert the title you want, for example, presentation of book proofs. You can also enter titles in other languages in case you have audiences in other parts of the world. You can also enter a caption, for example, Book Festival. Now, post the event period. Enter the start time here. And now, how long the event is going to go on for. If you want, you can also enter external web links associated to the event. For example, www.bookfestival.com. And a link to the page itself, for example, the Facebook page of the event. Now, go to the place link. This indicates where the event will take place. If the venue is already stored in our database, you can simply enter the name, for example, Hoxton Square, and it will show up in the search. If it does not, enter a new location. This can be done by clicking Add Venue. Now indicate the name of the place, for example, Hoxton Square, and a subtitle, for example, Stage in the Square. You can also add more detailed description if needed. After that, add the location by entering the address, or you can use GPS latitude and longitude coordinates. If the place does not appear on the precise point of the map, you can fix it manually. Now you can add a picture of the venue. The place has now been created and will be available on our database for any future entries. The event has now been inserted. At this point, you are automatically redirected to the events page. You can now use this URL to promote your event wherever you want. For example, newsletters, social networks, posters, or any other social media outlet. In addition, the event is now also on the map of Uozap. Let's go back to the event page. If you have chosen to go live now, it will appear immediately on the player directly below the image. If you have set a future time, the player will appear just before your broadcast. You may need to reload the page at the exact time of the event. For events that do not require special equipment, for example, the presentation of a book or a course or a sporting event, you may still use an external webcam that can also capture audio. If using a webcam, do make sure that you take into account the lighting conditions of your surroundings. If you connect the webcam after the event entry, reload the page and your browser will ask you what video or audio source you want to use. Select your webcam has audio as well as video at this point and you are ready to go live. The player is black and clicking on Start Streaming directly begins your event and it is visible everywhere. As a logged on user and the creator of the event, you will see the player as a director. All other users will see the player as a spectator. To test the performance, it is advised that you enter the page from another browser and not be logged on with your own user ID. If you're shooting, for example, with Firefox, open the page itself logged on with Chrome and listen through your headset. The headset is essential to avoid feedback of the audio. Uozap also provides a test page that can be used for video and sound checks before the event. It's a page that only you will be able to see. Click here and you can do all of the audio and video tests that you want before going on to the event page. Uozap is available to everyone and all you need is just a computer, an internet connection, a webcam and a headset. Obviously, you can get much better performance results if you have the right technical equipment and adequate technical knowledge. You can use multiple cameras and an external audio system. For example, if you want to broadcast a live concert with many mics, the audio source will need to be an audio mixer, output for musicians. And if you want to use multiple cameras, the video source is a video mixer with several cameras attached. A video engineer will be able to advise you, but in case you need our technical team, we are at your disposal. Email us on tec@uozap.com. Uozap is a free tool that gives everyone the chance to broadcast live events. These events can be seen on our on-screen map around the world, and those who are invited or those who have found the events accidentally or intentionally through social networks.
Being at an event is amazing. However, if you cannot be there in person, Uozap can help you virtually be there. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you.